If you've been wanting to unlock all the great features of Telegram Premium, like larger file uploads, faster downloads, and exclusive badges, but you want to pay with Tonkin Ton instead of a credit card, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through buying Telegram Premium using Ton via the Fragment platform, so you can enjoy those perks securely and seamlessly. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to move your Ton, connect your wallet, and start enjoying Telegram Premium all in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first. You need some Tonkin or Ton in your wallet to pay for the subscription. Think of this as making sure you have enough cash before heading to the checkout at a store. It's a basic but important step. If you haven't done this yet, you can buy Ton on popular exchanges like Binance or KuCoin, then transfer it to a non-custodial wallet like Tonkeeper or MyTon wallet. Double-check that you've got enough Ton to cover the cost of the subscription plan you want, plus a tiny bit extra for the network fee. If you're a bit unsure about wallets, just remember that non-custodial means you and only you control your funds, which is great for privacy and security. With your Ton ready, open your web browser and go to the official Fragment website. Just type fragment.com, but as a pro tip, always make sure you're on the genuine site to stay safe from phishing. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your Telegram account. Click the login button, enter your phone number, and confirm the process using your Telegram app. It's a quick two-step dance between Fragment and Telegram, and it helps ensure that only the real you can make purchases. Next, connect your Ton wallet to Fragment. If you're using Tonkeeper, for example, you'll be prompted to approve the connection. Just follow the instructions. This is a bit like linking PayPal to an online store. Don't worry if it takes a few moments for your wallet to pop up, or if you need to scan a QR code. Just take your time and make sure everything looks right before confirming. Once you're connected, it's time for the exciting part. Choosing your Telegram Premium subscription. Look for the Premium section on Fragment. There's usually a tab or banner, then pick the plan that suits you, whether it's 3, 6, or 12 months. The price will appear in Ton, making it super easy to see exactly what you're spending. Take a quick moment here and double-check the length of your subscription and the amount of Ton required. No one likes unpleasant surprises after the fact. Now follow the on-screen prompts to complete the purchase. Fragment will clearly guide you through each step. You'll likely be asked to confirm the transaction in your Ton wallet interface and approve any security pop-ups. This part is crucial. Make sure the details all match your Telegram account, the Ton amount, and the subscription term. It's like double-checking your order at a cafe before paying, just in the crypto world. Once you hit confirm, your payment is processed on the Ton blockchain, and your Telegram Premium status should activate instantly, often within a few seconds. You'll see the Premium badge appear on your Telegram account, and all those new features will be unlocked for you to enjoy. And that's it, you've just bought Telegram Premium using Tonkin, completely hassle-free through Fragment. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, drop your questions or experiences in the comments. I always love hearing from you, and make sure to subscribe so you won't miss more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.